In this video, I'll show you how to hide your product price for a specific category in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so throughout this video, we'll be working with two different categories, right? So we'll be working with our photography category and our perfume category. So for our photography category, as you can see, we can see the price fine and we can actually check out fine. So that's not an issue. But for our perfume category, we've actually removed the price, and instead of displaying the price, we've added this custom text here, which just says contact for price. You can leave it completely blank. It's totally up to you. And there's no add to cart button as well. So since there's no price, there's no need to show an add to cart button. So we've still kept the swatches intact just in case customers want to see the different variations that you've got for the particular product. They can do so, okay? So if you want to create a similar setup in your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to Woosuite.com. Go ahead and download the Woosuite Request a Quote plugin. I'll leave the link in the description below. And with that said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the Woosuite Request a Quote plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we'll go Plugins, Add New, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this Woosuite menu here. Click Activate, enter in your license key, then it will automatically redirect you to this add-ons section, okay? And then from here, we can just scroll down and just make sure we enable the Request a Quote plugin. Okay, so now we can click Manage, okay? And then we can create our first rule. So I've already created one here. Let's delete this one and then we'll just start again, okay? So let's click Add New Rule. Okay, so we'll give it a name. It's just for internal purposes. So we'll say, and then now we've got the option to decide who we want this rule to apply to. So we can set it to guest users, which are users logged out of your site, or we can set it to registered users, okay? So for this example, I'm going to set it to guest users, okay? So that's users logged out of our site. Okay, for the rule priority, we'll set this to 1. And in the event that a customer matches multiple rule, the rule with the highest priority will trigger for that customer, okay? And then when we scroll down here, so we can skip past where it says apply to all products, and we can ignore apply to specific products as well, because we want to apply this rule to a particular category. So I'm going to select our perfume category here. Okay, and then here where it says hide price, we'll select yes. And then this is where we can add that custom text, right? So in the intro, mine said contact for price. We can leave it blank and this will just completely hide the price, okay? So I'm going to leave it blank. Again, you can add something like call us, register, or whatever the call to action is that you want to add, you can add it here, okay? And then where it says hide add to cart button, I'm going to select replace the add to cart button with a custom button, okay? And then for our custom button, we'll just leave it blank. This way, there won't be any call to actions. But if you wanted to maybe link customers over to a custom form, right, where they can express their interest, then you can do so. Or if you want to use our default quote system, you can replace it with a new quote button, okay? But again, I'm just going to set it to replace with a custom button, and I'm going to leave the custom button blank, okay? So this way we'll have no price and we'll have no add to cart button. So let's go ahead and save changes. So we just hit publish and that's pretty much it. So now let's go ahead and check our rule and see if it works as expected. Okay, so let's check our photography category first. Okay, we can see our price and our add to cart button, which is fine. And now when we check our perfume category, here you can see there's no price, right? And there's no add to cart button as well. And that's a quick and simple way to hide your price from a particular category in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.